In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money online with other people's quotes. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can get started today. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free unemployee handbook. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so I looked up, and during my research, I saw that people want to make money online with quotes, and surprisingly, there is a large market and an even bigger opportunity to take advantage of it. Now, before we get going, I want to caution you and make sure that you are adhering to all trademark and copyright rules before you embark on this journey. But let me show you what other people are doing and how you could potentially capitalize on it too. So the first thing I did is I jumped over to Ahrefs. It's a keyword research tool that I use to help me find keywords. And I just typed in famous quotes. I didn't even type in quotes, which I could have. But if I type in famous quotes, you see there are 50,000 searches per month, and there are over 91,000 keywords. You can see there's some orange and there's some red. There's a green right here for famous Star Wars quotes, which we could use as an opportunity. But if we just remove this, and I want to show you how powerful this is and how much opportunity there really is, you can see that there will be millions of people that are looking up these different quotes every single month. Look at this. Inspirational quotes by themselves have over 779,000 searches per month. People want to be motivated and inspired, and you can use this as an opportunity. You can see there are over 5 million keywords, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the keyword difficulty to 10 in just a moment, but you can see there's the opportunity. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at some ways that you can monetize other people's quotes. The first thing that you could do is hop on over to Etsy, and I just typed in quotes. And when we typed in quotes and we hit the space bar, you can see that people are asking all sorts of things when it comes to quotes. So we do quotes on stickers, for example. We can see that there are all sorts of things. The crown is heavy, but the queen is strong. So what you could do, one option and one opportunity, is that you could actually start a gig or a service where you'll put quotes on stickers. So you'll tell people, give me your quote, make sure that it's not copyright or trademark. Give me your quote and I'll put it on a sticker. You can see people are making anywhere between $1.79 and $3. You can send them out digitally if you wanted to, or you could actually print them and then mail them out. But you can see people are using Etsy for quotes. But let's get rid of stickers here, and you can see people are doing sweatshirts or posters or wall art. Let's do wall art, and you could actually do printable or downloadable wall art. You can see that there are all sorts of things. And one of the cool things that you could do with this is you can see that you could actually create these quotes for free on something like Canva with different fonts. Canva has a ton of fonts over there. So if we jump over to canva.com, and we could just pick a quote like "to err is human," for example. So we'll just do, let's do poster. I'm just going to type in, let's type in wall art. And again, the cool thing with Canva is it's free. So we'll do, let's do poster. The cool thing with Canva is that it is free to get started. There is a premium version, but you don't have to take advantage of this premium version. And we're just going to, let's use this one. This one is actually a paid version. So this would require money. Let's do blank. All right, we'll just pick a blank one to make our life a little bit easier. And we could start off with something that is pretty commonly said. I'm not sure who says it, but you could start off with something like "to err is human," or you could actually do famous mispronunciations of quotes or misquotes. So we could do like "to err is human." Human. Why doesn't this type human? Just like that. We'll do "to era is human." And we could increase the size here. Let's do 200 for our size. Like that. Whoops, we'll do 200 like this. And then we can move this here and then add some stuff to the background. But what I want to show you is all of the different fonts that you could use. I saw one that had like a typography or like a old school typewriter font. Boom, just like that. And we could put periods here, and just like that, you have a quote, and we'll say author, just like that. And then you could come back and change the different colors if you wanted to, and you could sell this on something like Etsy and make money. As you can see here, this is Really easy. We probably won't make a ton of money. You could do this with a printable. So we could do quotes, and I'm just going to type in printable here, printable like this, and you can see that people are doing this, and they're charging as low as $2.80, 56 quotes. Now, some of these probably are going to be fringe legal, but you can see there's opportunity. People are doing this. Another way that you could make money is to simply talk about quotes over on YouTube. Now, one mistake that a lot of people make when it comes to these is they're just grabbing quotes from other people and then just spitting them all out. But I think Evan Carmichael has the right idea. What he did is he not only found quotes from famous people, he actually, applause that, he actually is analyzing them and giving an interpretation. I think this is the better way to go, because you're not just stealing or taking someone else's content, you are actually giving your opinion, you're reacting to it. And the cool thing with YouTube is you can make money in a few different ways. You can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. If you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can get up and running. Now, what you want to do, what I recommend that you do here is you probably can't just do the top 10 quotes every entrepreneur should live by. You probably want to do like Warren Buffett or Warren Buffett quotes. Or you want to do maybe quotes of a professional athlete. So if we do Warren Buffett quotes, you're going to see there's less competition. Look at this. Their top result here, 177,000 subscribers, 29,000 views from 3 years ago. So there's more opportunity if you're talking about Warren Buffett quotes. Now, Warren Buffett quotes from different situations, but you could do this. You could turn this into an entire YouTube channel where we could do like Michael Jordan quotes like this. And then you could do, look at Michael Jordan quotes on failure, Michael Jordan quotes The Last Dance, and then you could even do Michael B. Jordan if you wanted to, but you can see that there's opportunity here. And again, you're going to make money in a few different ways. One, you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. You can also make money by maybe selling a motivational book, maybe a self-help book. If Michael Jordan has a book over on Amazon, you could be an affiliate for that and potentially make money that way. But you can see there are tons of people. This one right here, 7.2 thousand views. And he has 5.9 thousand subscribers. So a tiny channel is ranking for different quotes, and you could do this too. Another way that you could make money is by hopping over on Redbubble. Redbubble is just like Etsy, but you can see there's opportunity here. You could create t-shirts with quotes. You could use something like Teespring as well. But the benefit of using Redbubble and Etsy is the traffic already comes to these websites. You just need to create content that's going to get in front of targeted audience. But as you can see here, there are all sorts of quotes and different opportunities that you can pull. Another thing that you could do is you could take advantage of things that are trending. So go online and find trending topics, find trending sounds, and then you can turn those into different t-shirt designs or Etsy ideas. So for example, you could hop over on TikTok and find a trending sound that people are talking about, find a trending sound that tons of people are using, and then you can turn them into stickers over on Etsy or Redbubble, as long as you're not you're infringing on anyone's copyright or trademark. But another thing that you can do is hop on over to Pinterest. Now, in Pinterest, I searched business quotes motivational, and you can see here top 10 Warren Buffett quotes is what I clicked on, and that actually took me to this website, and they're making money in a few different ways. They have ads up here. They're selling their own digital or physical products. They're collecting emails. You can see all of these ads here. And this is a high CPM niche because people that are looking up business quotes are wanting to make money in business. And as you know, there are lots of products or services that you can sell. Now, just to quickly run through this once again, you can make money with Etsy in a few different ways. I've got quotes printable. Another thing that you can do, as I mentioned, is jump on trending topics or trending sounds that you're finding over on TikTok and put them over here on Etsy or Redbubble. You can also take advantage of motivational quotes on YouTube. I recommend that if you want to get started, try and find individuals that have a ton of quotes, and then you can create content there and you can show up in people's recommended page. Another thing that you can do is you can go to, as you can see, quotes about business, and people are simply creating content about business quotes. But you want to make sure that you are either reacting to it, interpreting it, and making sure that you're making it your own. You're not just stealing people's quotes. But if you look at this, number 2, play by the rules, but be ferocious by Phil Knight. And this owner of this blog or website is giving an example and and explaining exactly what that means and applying that to different business situations. Another thing that you can do, if we come back over to Ahrefs, as you can see, there are diehard quotes, there are Twitter quotes, selfish parents quotes. So if we just copy diehard quotes like this and we paste it in, you're going to see that people are looking up different diehard quotes. Parade.com. Now, again, I'd be very careful with just taking these quotes, because you don't want to steal other people's work. You want to make sure that you are interpreting it in some way. But look at this. People are just taking the best quotes from Die Hard, and they probably got this online somewhere, and they're just putting it right into a blog. This blog is not terribly long, but you could do this too with all sorts of stuff. If you're just taking the quotes and just posting them places, you do run the risk of someone coming for the money. So you want to make sure that you are at least interpreting or reacting to it. But I typed in diehard quotes. Once again, you see there are tons. This top result, 229,000 views, only 912 subscribers, not even monetized. So that's interesting, and we know that this works. If I hit the spacebar here, you can see diehard quotes, yippee-ki-yay. We click on this, and once again, you're going to see that there's opportunity. 1.4 million views from 9 years ago, 133,000 subscribers. There is tons of opportunity just with other people's quotes. Now, what I would recommend that you do is I would get a copy of Ahrefs, type in quotes. If you want to do this, type in quotes, change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less. You can see there are 58 million monthly searches for these different quotes. Let's do Twitter quotes. Hopefully this is safe for work, or else this will be a short video. So if we type in Twitter quotes and paste that in here like this, like that, hit enter, and you're going to see that people are creating quotes about interesting thing. 101 funny tweets. Again, this is monetizable as long as you are interpreting it, putting it into your own words, and you're not just stealing other people's content. Look at this one. Sad Twitter quotes from TikTok because I'm broken. 271,000 views from 1 year ago, 1.3 thousand subscribers, and this is only a 7-minute video. So you can see there are tons of opportunities just with quotes. Again, what I would do is go over to Ahrefs, type in quotes, change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less, and go through and find ones that you want to create content on. Do a little bit of research, figure out the best quotes for jealousy quotes, and then create a YouTube video or YouTube content and potentially make money. What you can even do too is if we click on Twitter quotes, there's going to be even more opportunity. So we could do Twitter quotes like this, and you're going to see deep Twitter quotes, sad Twitter, funny Twitter. If we do funny Twitter quotes, you're going to see, once again, when we jump over to YouTube, that there are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people that are looking for different funny Twitter quotes. Look at this. Second result here, 127,000 views, only 8,000 subscribers. Lots of opportunity to create content just based on quotes. Now that you know all of these different ways to make money with quotes, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.